Salamat po, Panginoon Diyos, sa bigay mong hapunan. Ito po. Kanin. Mamaya meron tayong pangimagas. Ano yun? Ito. Avocado. Pangimagas. Kain na po tayo. Malikot pong aso.
Kain na kayo doon, no?
Kaya na sila.
Kanina ka pa ano yung tao, para kang aso naglalandi.
Ito.
Ba't ka kita nakati? Ba't ako?
Ano ito eh? Ano kasi luto ito? Ang gulay nito?
Kanina ko pa na amoy.
Maginatahan lang ka.
Hindi magandang amoy na yun. Hinahanap ko nga kung saan gagaling eh.
Sir, bago mo ba yung medyas mo?
Chichukit mo ko dyan, ha? Ang mamimigay ko, puro bago. Pagkagamit ko isang beses, pinamimigay ko na.
Bumili ka
Hindi
na
kaya
lang.
itong basura nangangamoy?
Ito. Gusto ito.
Hindi na.
Baha! Yun nga!
Bumili.
Yung sa basurero na yan!
Baka may patay na basurero dyan sa loob. Yung ba na ako? Dahil lang siya. Natapon siya.
Kung may tapong mo yan.
A bright, sunshiny day!
Ma'am! Inteligente kayo. Ay, bakit, ma'am? Natagtalumabalakang niyo, ma'am.
Huwag mong sirain yung araw ko at maganda ang araw ko dahil sa gabi tumawag yung kliyente natin ang galing Saudi Arabia. And you know what, Steve? Girls, do you know what? Kevin, what? Okay, tawag siya at sinabi niya na dito siya pupuha sa atin. Easy lang.
Nakita mo kanina, ano nila kanina, yung mga presentation para doon sa bago nila, humalong. Nandun, nakita nila si Sister, nakasama si Sister.
Lagi na pinagbago.
Ang ating inaasam-asam na paglipat sa 14th floor! Ayun na! So, ayusin na yung opisina at mukhang kailangan i-impress ang ating kliyente. Everybody get that one!
Hindi ko yung kawas niya. Everybody work para may test. Makita ko niya yung basura ngayon din. Tapos ko na yung basura.
Nandyan yung pera.
Ay, yung Arabo. Lagot na, Kevin. Ah!
You will be sorry
Lumabas.
about this.
I'm sorry for this.
No, you're going to be very sorry for this. Yes, that's for sure.
Hello, Mr. Abu.
Sayad.
Sayad, Abu.
Abu Sayad.
Welcome to our office. Salam. This is Hindi. Sharon, Noni.
Oh, yes,
And
yes.
that's my office.
Beautiful girls.
Thank you.
How do you do it?
This is Captain.
I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. Come on, let's get down to business.
Yes,
Let's get down to
in
business.
my office. In my office.
Kasi mag-iingat kayo, plano ni Mama, okay, no? Kaya tumali ka dito, pagkita mo ng kape, nung bulugo ba ang daan ng dugo sa inyong tao? Ha? Pagkita na yung kit.
Sige, ang sarangkit.
Ay, basura! Ano naman ba basura? Ay, basura na may steam sa isang daan.
Para makumangan doon sa akin.
Kaya hindi ba senso? Hindi kaya yung ano-ano order, no? Now, Miss Hillary,
without a problem.
Wonderful, wonderful. Do we have a deal?
Yes,
Oh, yes.
without a doubt.
We have a deal. Wonderful. Wonderful deal.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Oh,
Wonderful, wonderful.
thank you so much.
Naku, alam mo, nakapit naman.
If you need other workers for your other factories, please call us.
Oh, yes, don't worry. I am so glad that I found you, Miss Hillary. You must remember that I will use you every time that I need you. It's wonderful to deal with you. I'm so glad. I'm so glad.
Oh no!
I'm sorry. This is the second time. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill this man. I'm going to kill this man. It's the second time. I will kill this man.
Calm down, Mr. Officer. Please, calm down, please. He did not mean it.
All right.
Kevin has been with us for a long time.
Okay,
He's a very good person.
I will calm down. I will calm down. But I want you to fire him out. What do you mean?
I can't find him. That's for so long. He's good. He works hard.
No, that's impossible. All right. Miss Hillary, it is up to you. If you want to keep your employee, that's fine with me. But no deal. No deal.
May fire nyo naman.
Yes. And that is my final decision. All right? You want to keep that man? That is up to you. But if you keep him, our deal is cancelled. No more.
Ma'am, kung pipili kayo, syempre yung deal na, no? Ako si Cosby lang. Pwede kayo kumuha ng 5 koste o 50 koste. Pero naman, Diyos ko naman, die. Ma'am, ito 3,000. 3,000 pinag-usap kita sa mga tao. At sa mga pamilya nila. At,
Sir Steve, be quiet. Don't be so drastic. Ganun pa kadali magpatalsik ng tao?
oo na, kakawag ka ng kibo-kibo dyan. Balukot sa Tagalog mo. Balukot sa yung mga decision mo.
Sir Steve, kung ikaw kayo nasa katayo ni Mang Kevin, ano kaya ang mararamdaman mo?
Aba, nararamdaman ko, tutuwa ako sa nangyayaring ganito. Dahil alam ko, hindi ka dapat makialam. Si ma'am, alam na ang dapat niya gawin. Matalino yan. She was trained for leadership. I mean, she knows what's important. Hindi yung isang tao lang, kapakanan ng isang tao, kundi yung nakararami. I mean, 3,000 people. The whole family, the whole country. Ma'am, yung training nyo, you're a mature person. I mean, you know, ano pipiliin mo? Siyempre yung skill.
Ma'am,
Skill, ma'am.
Well,
Thank you for watching.
you make the decision.
God bless us all. Bye-bye.